Good evening. Good evening. My name is Saiid Zamani, local realtor here in Philadelphia suburb. Our office currently is in Wayne, and today we're going to go over some free information for consumer, the public, about what's going on in real estate, especially in the last 30 to 60 days. One of the tools that we use as a realtors here with Keller Williams is RPR. This tool is not open to public, but we wanted to present you with some facts that we have, especially myself doing research for our sellers and with my buyers about why homeownership is an important thing. So today we're going to go into market trends and look over Berwyn, Pennsylvania. We're going to go to residential market trends and pull up Berwyn 19312 and we're going to see the local live inventory that was for August. If you really want the true number, you want to go when everything is closed, and a couple of weeks after that, when everything's settled from those months or prior, you're going to see the data. 1 month of inventory level or absorption rate, 4.8% above listing price, median days on the market 10 days, and the average price in Berwyn, Pennsylvania is $853,980. Now, when you look at the data that we look at the last month's change, we are looking at single home, condos, townhomes, and apartments. But right now, we want to focus on single home for 19312 in Berwyn. If you take a look at all the charts, we are seeing actually higher increase in months change for the last 12 months, 9.6%, and barely in a fluctuation in the last 30 days, with median estimated value above $1 million of $1,046,840. And you can actually see the trend, the estimated value gone up despite all the rate changes, inflation. Things are still looking good for homeowners. When we go into new listings, you can actually take a look at the median square feet here that is active and what's sold. We're going to go under the sold data here towards the end, and we are seeing $379 per square foot. We're going to click into this here and look at single family homes. And looking right before the pandemic, they were around $238, and now we are hovering steady around $379. So we're going to take 279. We're going to bring up calculation. We want to make sure live here. This is how we calculate, because the value I bring to the table, we bring to the table, is very important. So we're going to do 379 divided by 238. You may see, wow, the home value has gone up 30%. But if you take the actual number on your screen, you take the difference divided by the 238, you're going to see the price per square foot for some homes in Berwyn, Pennsylvania have gone up 59%. So when you look at the total square feet, if it's a home between 3,000 square feet and you're looking at a 4,000 square feet home, these are actual numbers based on the last 5 years of data. Historically, over the last 50 plus years, home values across the area have increased by a steady 4% year over year. Now, and obviously, in some areas are a lot more, and then some during some economic hardship times, it's a little bit less. But generally, real estate has been the most stable and robust investment. Looking at the local inventory the last 12 months, we are seeing still in Berwyn, Pennsylvania, 19312, we are still way below the market. Simply, the rate change is not going to change a lot of that. It can allow for people to refinance, maybe lower the rate, but we are still looking for sellers, and the inventory levels are still very low. As you see here, it has gone down. One of the factors that comes into place is just people are not moving as fast as we see right now compared to 2019 and 18 or 17, even that, where on average we had Hertz research of 6 to 7 years. Now we are looking around 10 to 12 years before people make a move. It's Saiid Zamani, Realtor with Keller Williams. Feel free to inbox us with any information. Have a great day.